In this video, we will discuss about the attrition and the impact of attrition on hiring talent for a company. Commonly referred to as a churn rate, a company's attrition rate is the rate at which people are leaving a company during a period. It is the number of people who have left the company divided by the average number of employees over a period of time. Typically, it is expressed as a percentage. Knowledge transfer is an activity where an exiting employee will transfer all the knowledge and skills required to do a particular job. Unless there is an extremely rigorous documentation process, knowledge will leave the company and knowledge transfer will be of no use. This is because it's almost impossible to transfer all the knowledge an employee has gained over the years. The new incumbent takes time to understand and work. This will impact the productivity and also have delivery slippages in case of project related work. So these are some of the reasons for employees leaving a company. Are managers properly motivating employees is a question to be asked. Team atmosphere, how is the culture a major factor for leaving? Recognition programs, does an employee feel recognized for their work? Pay and benefits, is your company adequately compensating employees? The reasons for exit can be captured in the exit interview of a candidate who is leaving the company. The attrition rate of top IT firms in the year FY22 and Q1 FY22 are given here. TCS has 8.6% in the previous quarter and 11.9% in the current quarter. Infosys had 13.9% previous quarter, 20.1% this quarter. Wipro had attrition of 15.5% previous quarter, 20.5% in the current quarter. HCL Technologies has a lower previous quarter attrition of 11.8% and currently it is 15.7%. Cognizant is the highest, 21% in the previous quarter FY22 and 31% in the Q2 FY22. Attrition will have a negative impact on company's performance. The first impact can be felt is in hiring cost. There will be delivery slippages. Speed up time. The new incumbent will take time to come into full speed to be productive and deliver for the projects. As we have seen, the replacement costs will be higher. In some cases, it is as high as 150 to 200%.